One-off Project Templates. There are two types of Thankster template projects. The first is a one-off project template, which is simply a design template that you can use as the basis for any future one-off projects you create. It allows you to avoid building from scratch a design that you may use over and over. Once you've created your one-off project template, you can select it when creating a draft project. In the Design card tab, you'll select Choose from My Templates. You will then select from one of the templates and continue in creating the project. From the selected template, all you need to do is edit necessary details. As you continue with the project, you will be adding recipients. Note that another approach to using a one-off project template would be to duplicate an existing one-off project and delete any recipients not being mailed to.